This is Mo, and once again welcome into my channel Review Infinity. So today I am going to react on the official trailer of Jolly LLB Part 2, starcast of Akshay Kumar and Huma Qureshi. So let's start the video.
संभाल के संभाल के क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि सलमान खान की शादी कब होगी? अरे लेके जाओ इसको यहाँ से, इससे पहले कि मुर्गा बना दूं मैं इसको यहाँ पर। जॉली एक केस है, लेकिन अगर काम नहीं हुआ तो जॉली पैसे वापस करने पड़ेंगे। बेटा जो वकील पैसे वापस कर देना वो वकील नहीं होता। बड़े दिन बाद कोई ग्राहक मिला, अब पैसे भी ले चुका, अब मैं पैसे वापस नहीं कर सकता उसके।
कोर्ट का केस लगा दूंगा, जेल में जाओगे तो नीचे उतरिए।
तुम देखना पुष्पा, ऐसे ऐसे केसेस जीतूंगा कि दुनिया कहेगी कि वो जा रहा है जगदीश्वर मिश्रा और उसकी बीवी पुष्पा पांडे रोल्स रॉयस में। पुष्पा उस पागल
20 साल की प्रैक्टिस है वकील साहब। आपकी तरह घुमा के काम नहीं पकड़ूंगा, सीधे पकड़ूंगा, कस के पकड़ूंगा।
व्यक्तिगत मामले पर उल्टा सीधा कुछ नहीं सुनूंगा मैं,
वरना क्या बाटा का जूता पहनकर, टुच्ची सी टेरिकॉट की शर्ट पहनकर साला हमसे जबान लड़ा रहे हैं।
मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया।
बड़े कोर्ट के अंदर थप्पड़ मार दिया इनको, अब क्या आरडीएक्स लगा देगा इनके नीचे।
इंसाफ चाहिए, न्याय चाहिए, दे सकते हो। तू ये केस लड़ेगा और जीतेगा।
हमारे खिलाफ जितने गवाह हैं सबको आने दो कोर्ट में, देख लेंगे।
मैं तो बड़ी मुश्किल से इसको लेके आऊं। मैं एक मौका मुझे दे दीजिए।
ये निरूपा राय की एक्टिंग मेरे सामने करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
मुस्कुराइए आप लखनऊ में।
मुस्कुराएंगे मास्टर साहब, मुस्कुराएंगे। और आपके क्लाइंट को जेल भिजवाने के बाद इस दुनिया के सबसे बड़े जाहिल ने कहा था कि इश्क और जंग में सब कुछ जायज है, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा है तो फिर बॉर्डर पर सिपाहियों के सर काटने वाले भी जायज है और जवान लड़कियों पर एसिड फेंकने वाले आशिक भी।
Okay, so that was the official trailer of Jolly LLB Part 2. Akshay Kumar and Huma Qureshi are the two lead actor and actress of this movie, as far as the trailer tells me. There was a time when Akshay Kumar started his careers with some disastrous movie. He started with some, in his young days, he did some movies which you can't see. Those were not worth of seeing. And at the later half of his life, at this age, he is tremendously becoming so popular by his acting, by his character, and the way he is making his mark in the movie industry. And right now, almost you can say that he is literally competing with the three Khans. Now you can't say that the movie industry is, controlled by the three Khans or something like that. You have to include Akshay Kumar right now. The way he is doing his movie, the way his career right now, I think he is totally a worth competitor of those three Khans. And so this is an Akshay Kumar movie, and I remember the Jolly LLB Part 1 that Arshad Warsi, Arshad Warsi was the lead actor of that movie. That movie was also based on comedy, but there also, in Part 1 also, some issues was, highlighted in that Part 1. And here also I can say that the whole movie, basically as far as the trailer tells us, that the movie is basically, based on a comedy script. The comedy, a very good comedy is, flowed into the trailer. Throughout the trailer, a very good comedy has been flowed. And we know that Akshay Kumar is almost, a competing king of, of comedy. His movie always consist of some kind of comedy, and he literally does it with a perfection level. So that type of comedy we can expect, and we have also seen a glimpse of that type of comedy. And later half of the trailer has shown us that in that movie there is not only comedy, there is also some tragic moments. As far as the trailer tells me that yes, this lawyer is a typical lawyer who literally struggling in his life to get some good clients, to earn some good amount of money so that he can survive with his wife and with his entire family. But he's not getting that type of client, he's not earning that amount of money. And suddenly in this level of comedy, level of flow, this lawyer, this small small unfamous unpopular lawyer literally gets a challenging case in his life, that he has to give some justice, provide some justice to those innocent victims. And in that, throughout that sort of timings, he faces literally some good challenges in his life, where he has to fight not only in the court, outside the court also, mentally and physically he has to fight for that case, fight with his surroundings, with his unpleasant surroundings. So this trailer is very impressive to me, and literally it creates an impression, and definitely I'm going to see this Jolly LLB Part 2, which is going to be released on 10th February 2017. This movie is written and directed by Subhash Kapoor, and as far as the trailer tells me, this movie will do a nice fair. This movie will have a very nice fair cut in box office. I hope so, and I always like Akshay Kumar movies, so thumbs up for this Johnny LLB Part 2 for Akshay Kumar and his role, and Huma Qureshi also. Thumbs up, a great thumbs up for Subhash Kapoor and his upcoming movie of Johnny LLB Part 2. And also, at the last, I want to say that the most important question which has been done in Johnny LLB Part 2 trailer, official trailer, is that why Salman Khan is not getting married, or when Salman Khan will get married. This is the universal question, everybody want to know that. So this is the funny part, and this is the official trailer, this is the reaction of the official trailer of Johnny LLB Part 2. Till then, if you like my channel, if you like me and my channel and my videos, this type of reaction videos, then please do subscribe. Please do click this button and subscribe my channel. In this channel I literally shares my collection of movies, and also I give all types of trending videos reaction. So please do subscribe my channel, and also if you like my other reaction videos, and also some of my tutorial videos, then please click on these two boxes, you will be seeing those playlists. And if you like my some those my old Andaman and Himachal Pradesh travel diaries, and also some miscellaneous videos, then please do click on the card. I will be giving the link on the card, and so by this way you can see all of my playlist. And if you like my, again I'm telling you, if you like my channel, please do subscribe for more exciting videos which will be coming soon in this channel. Till then, thank you, bye bye.